Hi, my name is Amy Brown. I'm a realtor with the legal team of Long & Foster in Columbia, Maryland. Today's video is 7 tips about using your VA entitlement to purchase a home. If you're an active duty military, retired, or recently served in the military, you may be eligible to purchase a home using your VA entitlement. Today's video is about why the VA loan program is so excellent for those who served. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, are you eligible? If you served 90 consecutive days in active duty during wartime, you may be eligible. Also, if you served 181 consecutive days of active duty during peacetime, you may be eligible. Also, if you served 6 years in the National Guard or 6 years in the reserves. If you think you're eligible, definitely contact a local lender to confirm that. Tip number 2, what are the benefits of a VA loan? The first benefit is no down payment. You'll have less cash out of pocket. The second benefit is no mortgage insurance required. And the third benefit is you often can get a lower interest rate and there's more lenient credit requirements. Number 3, are you ready to buy a home? You should plan on having 3 to 4% of the purchase price in the bank for closing costs. There is a chance that you can ask the seller to cover some of your closing costs, but that depends on the market, so you don't want to count on that. Lastly, you will need money to pay the earnest money deposit and also any home inspections. Tip number 4, what funds will you need? Well, like I just mentioned, you'll need 3 to 4% as a general rule of thumb of the sales price for closing costs. You'll also need money to pay for the appraisal, which can run anywhere from $300 to $500. You'll need money to pay for the home inspection. The larger the home, the larger the cost of the home inspection. To be safe, you should plan on spending anywhere from $500 to $800 depending on the size of the home, and that's just for the basic structural and mechanical inspection. You'll also want to have money in the bank for miscellaneous inspections, probably about $350 to $400 for an inspection such as a chimney inspection that you might want to have. Tip number 5, the time frame. The time frame for a VA loan is really not much different than a conventional mortgage. As soon as you find your perfect home, you can typically close within 30 days. And at settlement, you'll receive the keys to your new home. Number 6, if you're wondering whether all homes qualify for VA financing, no, they do not. You can buy a home that's outdated and use VA financing, but you cannot purchase a complete fixer-upper. That would require a different type of financing. For VA funding, the home must be safe, clean, and secure, and lastly, free of termites. And in Maryland, termites often show up during a home purchase transaction. To use VA funding, the home must be your primary residence. You can't use VA funding to purchase an investment property, for example. And if you're looking at condos, there is a list of VA-approved condos, and that community must be on that list. My final tip, tip number 7, is use a local lender who is familiar with VA financing and has done it often. VA loans are a wonderful thing, but it's crucial to use a local lender. So if you need to hand over any documents to keep things moving, you can literally drive to their office, and that does come in really handy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.